Hi guys! So, Filipino version to ng Tokoboka.
Tokabo?
So, let's see. So, ngayon, mag-hated child version tayo na Tagalog. Naisip ko lang yun kasi isa pa lang na kong roleplay. So, kukuha na lang tayo ng bata dyan sa characterism. sa wait lang guys. Ay. So, yun guys. Don't mind the noise. Makain ako guys kaya sorry na. So, this is the character. Of course, ito yung dad. Kahit nag-break na sila. Sa isang, kasi ito yung rason bakit sila nag-break. Magpaganda siya. Wala lang tayo ng bata. Ito, the girl. Ito, kasi adopted lang siya. Pero dapat blonde ka. Paano ba yung sa akin? So, dapat blonde yung atong girl na to. At kukuha tayo ng clothes niya sa thrift store. Sorry na. Thrift store lang tayo. Nag-zoomies yung ko guys. Yung pusa ko. Ewan kung bakit. Kaya din ba? Nag-zoomies din ba yung pusa niya? Yung tatakbo siya ng mabilis na mabilis. Mangangalmot. Yung pusa ko eh. Mag-like and subscribe naman kayo guys. Yan, naganda yun ah. Anong kulay ba ng parents? Ay, kulay ng hair ng parents niya. Tingnan na natin itong mom. Siyempre. Unfortunately, lapit na, kaya okay na yan. Okay na yung dress, diba? It is blonde. Ay, shit. Couple shirts nila yan. Couple jacket, couple shirt. Kayo na bahala. So, So, yung girl na nakakulay pink, yun na lang yung auntie. Ay na lang yung tita. Rich tita, naka-Gucci. So, bibigyan natin siya kay Ugly Brat. So, let's get into the role play. Wait lang, kasi yung nanay may bit pa eh. Okay na lang natin yan. So, Filipino version or English version? Taglish na lang. Mom, Dad, this brat right here. I don't want to sleep with him. Sure, sweetheart. Hey, little brat. What is it? You're not sleeping in our room. Why? Because I said so, and my little princess don't want to sleep with you. So sleep in the bathroom and this your PJs. Go to the bathroom right now. I don't want to see your face. Okay. And since you're 7 years old, pretend na 7 years old na to. At ito 6 years old kasi siya bunso. Nag-adapt sila nito para magkapera sila. Basta ganun. Basta okay na yun. Kakapera sila kaya inadapt nila to. Kaya ginagawa nilang butler. Why are they so mean to me? I never done anything. They're using me to get money. I cannot stay with that brat. I know, right? Mommy. Yes, sweetheart. Do you mind we can play? Play what? Tea party. Sure, honey. Here's your tea party cup. Okay, so na more fun na tea party. Ano kasi? Dalawa sila eh. Gawin na natin 3. Kung pwede naman isama yung papa niya. So, yan. Okay, sweetheart. Let's go. Yay! Sure, my little princess. I'm going to work at my laptop. Okay. Tapos, lagay tayo ng lamesa, of course. Heart shape, kasi mahal na yung yay, tea party! But I'm going to see if what are they doing. Dagdagan ko lang ng toothbrush. Malamang. Don't mind the noise. I'm in a family. Ganun talaga mga Pilipino, guys. So, yeah. Hey, little brat. Diba I told you I don't want to see you again? I'm sorry, Dad. I just want to see what my sister and mom is doing. Don't call Stacy like that. Guys, kung napanood nyo na yung yung first video ko na Toka Roleplay, ito, pangalan niya is Stacy. And, yung ano, diba, nag-broke up sila dahil kay Ana. So, yun pa rin yung mga pangalan nila. So, ito si David, Stacy, at si Ana, the auntie. Go for it. Just only 10 seconds, okay? What are you doing? You're interrupting our tea party. Yeah, you're interrupting. Sorry, I just wanted... Get out! It's been 10 seconds. It's been 8 seconds. Get out or else. Okay. You're little like that. They're so selfish. They ruined our tea party. Sorry, sweetheart. It's okay. Ang cringe. Charot. Ang cringe kasi nung face. Why are you like that? I'll just make some snack. I'll just get an apple to be healthy. So, ito guys, cameras yan. Pretend na lang. What is he thinking? Hey, brat, why are you touching our food? Wash the dishes. I'm sorry, Mr. David. Prince David. Get off of me. Wash the dishes and give me that apple. Since you touched it, I'll throw it away. So you're dirty. I'll need some sanitizer. Ew, such a disgusting brat. Wash your hands before washing our dishes. Okay. Why are they like this? They're they're so mean to me. I don't know what did I do? Guys, di ako prepared. Kaya kuha ko ng kuha dito sa furniture. Di ako prepared. Ano ba? So prepared. Sorry na. To wash the dishes. Wait lang. Inumin niya. Wash. Wash. Okay, I'm already done. Who's that sexy thing I see up there? That's me, sitting in the mirror. Who's that sexy thing I see up there? That's me, sitting in the mirror. So, yan. Kompleto na tayo pag I'm done cleaning. I just wanna rest. Ano lang to, guys? Ano lang to? Full role play. Hindi na siya nagpa-parts. Yung mga party, ganun. Hindi na siya nagaganon, okay? Mommy, it's getting late. Let's go to sleep. Okay, honey. You have school then. Okay. I'll put our birthday party here. Okay. Let's go. Babe. Yes. Let's go to sleep now. It's getting late. Okay. I'll wear my... Ito. Okay, honey. Get your pajamas. Okay. I'll do this. No. This is my school. I'll wear this to school. And I'll wear this one. Oh, this is cute. I will wear this to school. Okay, honey, go to sleep. I'm sleeping upstairs, or you're sleeping here, or I'm going to sleep here. You sleep there. I'll sleep with my little princess. Okay. Wala ko lang. Getting late. I need to go to sleep because I'm going to wake up early. I'll just wear this to be my pajamas. I'll wear this to school. Ang bilis na umaga na agad. It's 5 a.m. I need to cook something for them. My dad usually don't like cereal, so I will just make her coffee. Oh, Mr. David. I almost forgot. Okay, put it there. I need 3 chairs. That's okay, need to clean this up. Okay. Coffee and some milk. She like oat. So she likes it when it's new. So this is brand new and this is not on the glass, so that's not brand new. She likes brand new. Okay. And for my sister and my Mrs. Stacy. So guys, may tubig sa loob. So, inumin niya muna. So, pretend nyo na lang na hindi niya ininom. So, yun nalagyan eh. Mrs. Stacy and Princess. Ano kaya papangalan natin dito? Ano na lang? Mackenzie. And Princess Mackenzie, she loves Okay. I'll wait them to wake up. Good morning. I hope the Brad makes us breakfast. Babe, Mackenzie, Princess Mackenzie. Yes, yes, Mom. It's time to eat. Okay, let's go. Wait lang guys ha. Ano si Abo oh? Hindi mo nakita pumunta doon.
Umihi. Tingnan mo. Baka umihi na naman yan.
Hindi.
Yan, dito yung PPC.
Yung asawa ng cat namin pumunta dito. So, wow, she made us breakfast. So, I'll get my coffee and I'll just chill on the sofa. Sure, honey. Let's eat, sweetheart. Okay. Rat, get out of here. Sorry. I'll just change. Babe, let's go brush your teeth. Wala, uwi pa ako. Sorry for the background noise, guys. Okay, I'm coming. I want to go outside when I'm done at school. Sure, honey. Let's go to the water park. I mean the water fountain or the water fish thing. Okay, I will. Okay, they're brushing their teeth. Okay. Sila magpapos na sila mag-brush. No, teeth. Ano ko na ng video ko today. Okay. Let's go change. Pupunta ba ako sa school with that brat? Unfortunately, kailangan niya mag-walk. Okay. Okay, where's my strawberry? Yes, I love this. And, this is so ugly. Pretend na ugly yung backpack, pero ganda-ganda, kaya ibibigay dun sa brat. Oh, brat! Ay! No! Napapon ko. Guess, hindi na siya magkababakpak. Kunyari may backpack na siya. No, my backpack! It went to the trash. Go get something. Okay, I'll just get some pen and the book. Oops. When I'm back to So, okay, sweetheart, I'm just gonna go change. Here's yours. My God, that's so girly. There's hearts on it. Huwag na yan. Let's go with when the messenger girl. I'm going with this. Okay, let's go. I forgot my clip. Honey, you forgot your headband. Oh, I forgot. Let's go. Forgot my laptop. Let's go. Yay. I'm not going to the car. Walk. So, yeah, nandito na siya. Mag-walk na siya. Ay, iba. Yan, walk. She's walking. She's walking. So, yung last part is yung inano na nila sa laptop na adapt this kid something sa ano adoption Gmail tingi. So, nasa school sila, nasa work. Tapos, yung hours later, 4 hours later, punta na sila dito. When the back in Chicago, I feel it. When you're mali yung lyrics ko, guys. Mali. Dito na lang sila sisigaw. Last part, dito na lang sila sisigaw. Na, ayan, ito yung mag-a-adapt sa kanila. And he live happily ever after. So, kasama yung auntie. Tapos, kasama yung brat. Sir, would you like to adopt this kid? It's ours, but we don't like him. Oh, okay, I'll adopt her. Yay! Para silang skin, so perfectly match. They live happily ever after. Kailangan natin ng happy face. Yan. So, yan. They live happily ever after. So, yun lang magtatapos ang roleplay. Kasi, ako ay busy na at ako ay may ipapractice pa para sa school. Kaya, bye-bye guys!